How to sign up for GCash account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily sign up for a new GCash account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and then search for GCash here. Once you search for GCash, go ahead and tap on it and install the application on your device. And once you have installed the application, go ahead and tap on open. But before we go any further, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Alright, so once you open up the application, here you have to enter your mobile number. The app is from the Philippines, so by default you'll see the Philippines country code. You can select from all of these available options, and once you enter your country code and then enter your phone number, once that is done, go ahead and tap on next, and they will send a text message on the number that you've just provided. And if you didn't get the code on the first try, you can just tap on resend code and simply verify your code on your phone number. Then you should be able to register for a new account. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time.